In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a flyer in Canva. Whether you're putting together an announcement for an upcoming event or a special promotion, creating an eye-catching flyer can make all the difference. And with Canva, the process is straightforward and user-friendly. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, we'll need to open Canva. If you haven't already, head over to Canva's website and sign in or create a free account if you're new to the platform. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Canva homepage. From here, you'll want to create a new design. Look for the button that says Create a Design up at the top right corner, click on it, and then type Flyer into the search bar. When you see the flyer option pop up, select it. Canva will automatically give you the standard flyer dimensions, which makes things a lot simpler. Next up, you have the choice between using a pre-made template or starting your flyer design from scratch. Canva offers a myriad of attractive templates categorized by theme and style, making it easy to find one that suits your needs. Browse through these options, and if one catches your eye, just click on it to start customizing. But if you're feeling creative and want a unique touch, feel free to start with a blank canvas. Now that you have your framework, it's time to add text. Click on the text option from the left side menu. Here, you'll want to focus on selecting a bold font that grabs attention and is easy to read from a distance. Think about what message you want to communicate and make your main point stand out. Remember, the clearer your message, the more effective your flyer will be. High-quality visuals can elevate your flyer significantly. Consider using striking photos that are relevant to your flyer's purpose. Canva offers a variety of stock images, or you can upload your own. If necessary, use Canva's background remover tool to give your images a clean, professional appearance that integrates smoothly with your design. To infuse more creativity into your flyer, head over to the Elements section. Here, you can add various graphic designs and shapes that complement your overall theme. Whether it's icons, lines, or illustrations, these elements can give your flyer that extra flair. Once you're satisfied with the design, it's time to save your work. Click on the Share button at the top right corner, and from the drop-down menu, choose to download your flyer. Canva offers several formats, but for most uses, the PDF or PNG options ensure high quality. Choose the one that best fits your needs, and voila, your flyer is ready to go. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy design tips. Happy designing!